Okay guys, hi, it's Nicolette from Nicolette Ivy Photo, and today I am going to be, well, I already am, buying flowers for my next shoot. And this is Eric from the last video. I told you he'd be in another video. You didn't ask for him, but he's in it anyway. We have just been running around buying bouquets of flowers for the past hour, because I'm doing a shoot on, I'm doing a double exposure on film, and I'm going to be doing like double exposure portraits. It's kind of, I'm sure you've seen them around, but I'm doing it on film, so it's all going to be in camera, which will be really, really cool. So yeah, let's just follow us around and buy flowers. Okay, so I found some sunflowers. This really beautiful bouquet.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And now we're buying some alcohol because I told him that I would. Because, yeah, or else he wouldn't have gone with me.
It's not true. It's not true. I would have done it for sushi too.
Okay, well, either way, had to bribe him. Here's all of our beautiful flowers.
So pretty.
And my little spider plant hang up in my house. Okay, everybody, it is tomorrow, and I messed up because, you know, that's just how I do things. Yeah, so basically, let me just readjust. Why is this so loud? Sorry, my car's really loud for some reason. But yeah, so basically, since I'm shooting this with film, I need, well, you know, you guessed it, the film. But the place where I buy the film is closed until 12:30, so had to wait. Still waiting. It's 10:46 right now. 'Cause, you know, I'm just so smart, guys. I always think of everything. Yeah, so I had to text all of my models to come later because they will be sitting there doing absolutely nothing, basically, until 12:30. So I'm going to the studio now and just gonna set up and do some test shots with my digital camera because it does do double exposures. So I'm gonna set up and practice so I have everything like perfectly set up and done right, so then when everybody comes and it's 12:30, we can just get right down to business and it'll be super easy. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. And I also have to grab some like branches and stuff too, just so I can kind of have a nice array of flower goodness. Yeah. Let's get on with it. Maybe some of these?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which ones?
What's that guy?
This one?
Yeah. Look at my strong man.
It's a fern, dude.
So, we are in the studio now. Yes, this is not my studio, unfortunately. I'm renting it, you could say. So yes, I'm going to be bringing down this white backdrop, as you can see here, that Eric is about to hit. And I don't really need a whole lot. Like all of my portraits are just gonna be like from here up, I think. So I'm not gonna need any kind of foot thing, so we're not gonna have to worry about that. So there's that. I'm gonna have them stand like either here or like above, not above, but like, so like if the lights are here, I'm gonna have them stand here. And so then it'll create this like silhouetted effect. And then for the other photo, I'm gonna take the picture of the flowers right here where the lights are, so that I don't have to move anything or do anything weird. So let's set that up. Okay, so now we've got the lights set up to at least something that I think might work. And so now I'm gonna have Eric be my placeholder while I test it with my digital. Okay, so we've pretty much got a really good picture on the camera, which is good. So now I'm going to actually do it with the double exposure effect and some little flowers and whatnot. So, okay, let's see. I'm just gonna set that there. This is gonna be really weird. Let's take this off. Getting there. Getting there. This is why we do this. Okay, so actually what I want to try and do is just... So I'm going to take a picture of you. How do you do that? Oh, wait. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for my models. They should be here any minute. We got some really awesome shots on my digital, and I'm so excited to be doing this on film. I'm gonna be working with the Mamiya RB67. It's not mine. I, again, am kind of renting it from my school. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this goes. Okay guys, so I am at work currently, but the shoot went really well. I didn't get any footage of it because I forgot to ask my models if it was okay, and also I was just so into it that I just didn't even think about recording. So sorry guys. You basically saw everything except just not quite the same. But yeah, pretty much it went really well. I will insert some of the photos here. They look so good. I want to do another video on how you can do it on your digital camera because it's actually really easy. This is pretty much just a behind the scenes look at how I do it. There really isn't a whole lot of like instructional stuff. I mean, there is, like, I'm sure you probably will get a lot out of it, but I want to do like a real instructional thing next. So hope you liked my video and see you next time. Bye.